So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will do the unboxing and first impressions of these Phantom True Wireless earbuds. They are basically for gaming. Before starting the video, I would request you all that if you are new, then please consider subscribing my channel. Do follow me on my Instagram handle, that is @Prabhsingh05. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here is the retail packaging of Phantom wireless earbuds. On the right we get the key specifications of these earbuds, and at the back we get the manufacturing details and the price of these earbuds. On the box it is written that the price of these earbuds is 4,999, but with the offers you can buy it under 3,000. So let's open the box of these earbuds. When we open the box we get the buds right on the front. Then we get these earbuds separately in this box, not kept inside this case. So here are the earbuds. Let's keep it aside and let's remove this section. When we remove this section, we get our extra earpieces, a reading manual, and we get 1 year warranty card. So let's keep everything aside and move towards these earbuds. The build quality of these earbuds is super premium. The case is made up of high quality plastic with the Wings branding on top. Also, the design is inspired with gaming, and we get two LED lights here. At the back, we get again some manufacturing details. If we talk about the earbuds, then the earbuds are completely matte black in color. Also, the design is really premium and they're made up of high quality plastic. So at the back we get the touch sensor with the Phantom branding. Also, the earpiece quality is also super premium. These earpiece also show this green LED when the case is opened. So it really looks cool, isn't it? So now it's the time to explore these earbuds. So if we talk about the features of these earbuds, then the list is long. It comes with a dedicated gaming mode, 12mm dynamic drivers, MEMS microphone, total 20 hours of playtime, full touch control, and adjustable noise cancellation mechanism from the earbuds itself. For connecting these Phantom earbuds, you just need to switch on your Bluetooth and you will see that the Wings Phantom will arrive here, and when you click it, it will simply connect with these earbuds. It is very easy. So let us have a look on how the touch sensor of these earbuds work. You can single tap to play and pause and double tap to change the gaming mode or to move to the next song. So here is another new feature that these earbuds provide. That is, you can control the noise cancellation level from the earbuds itself. Like, you can swipe up on these earbuds to increase the noise cancellation level, and you can swipe down to decrease the noise cancellation level. So this is a premium feature that no earbuds provide. I am testing these earbuds since an hour, and I found that the frequency and pitch is well balanced. Also, due to controllable noise cancellation mechanism, you avoid to hear the external noise. The bass of these earbuds is also really well stable, so the sound quality is top notch. Also, due to the presence of amplifier, you get chills while playing the game. So I think it is perfect gaming earbuds. So I think that these earbuds provide a lot of gaming features, rather a lot of new gaming features under 5,000 rupees. So I think that this can be your best gaming equipment under 5,000. So you can buy this product now. I will give you the link of this product in description. So guys, only this much for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button because it motivates a lot. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.